what are we exactly building for this project. So Pi is layer 1 blockchain with its own native currency, Pi, and a platform to build Pi apps on top of it. Pi focus on utility building. That's one of therefore one of the core example apps that we can run on top of Pi is marketplaces. Pi has been quite different from other projects in its strategies, with the goal to achieve accessibility and mass adoption of cryptocurrency and create a utility-based ecosystem and Web3 world. There are three major strategies we have been adopting and following so far. One is growth, because we believe a real successful currency has to rely on large enough people, holding this currency, recognizing it as a currency, and are willing to transact goods and services with this currency. So growth has always been a strategy. Therefore, we grow to over 35 million engaged members, and still growth has still been one of the core strategy. Decentralization is the second strategy. Decentralization is not just in the sense of technical decentralization, which all the testnet movement and also mainnet migration are in the process of decentralization. Utility building is the third strategy. We do it through the platform building, allowing not only ourselves, but also other developers being able to build Pi applications on top to create utility. While these three strategies still hold for the current period and going forward, we want to emphasize in a recent future more about the utilities. And what is about the utility we're trying to build is something that in a high level, we want to shift this community from extrinsically motivated community to an intrinsically motivated community. These two concepts, I don't know whether everyone knows, but I want to explain a little more. What is the extrinsic motivation? Probably many of you have actually heard and become very a buzzword is X to earn, like run to earn, play to earn. This type of models is the essence of extrinsic motivation. And of course, many of them actually fail. So extrinsic motivation is a very powerful mechanism. It can glue people together, align interest, and also motivate people to align to do certain things together. But it depends on how you use it, how the project use it, and what end does it serve. Intrinsic motivated means it provides real utility. Be it the entertainment, means someone get entertained. That's one type of utility. Convenience, provide things that wouldn't have happened without this product, or solve a real problem that you have a need. You get fulfilled by this specific product. So examples of intrinsic motivated usage of a system, for example, the Zoom video call conferencing tool. People are using the tool to fulfill a need that they need to have meetings with remote people, and that need is fulfilled, and this is a utility. People's usage of Zoom does not depend on how high or low the stock price of the Zoom company. And another example is our use of iPhone is not affected by Apple's stocks, not necessarily. Like today, Apple stock dropped, I stopped calling my friend. No, not necessarily the case. That's why these products are intrinsically motivated for their user to use them. So what we are trying to do in the bigger vision or higher level strategy is that we want to shift our community from very much extrinsically motivated, shifting to intrinsically motivated, meaning that pioneers should want to come to Pi Network regardless of whether there is extrinsic motivation, or MindPi is the extrinsic motivation for pioneers. However, in addition to that mechanism that help us grow this network, very powerful, strong, we want to make that shift into what type of utility it creates and provides.